Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the double screen, how you can use the two videos, or we can say the pip option in Inshot app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot app, and I'm going to open this. So we have to click on this, and after that we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, has option for the new. So we have to click on the new, and after clicking on the new, we need to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after that simply we have to click on the right, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now what we have to do, we have to choose the pip option. So we have to click on the pip, and after clicking on the pick, as you can see, now we have to choose the second video, or we can say the second screen. So I'm going to choose this, and now as you can see, the video is here. Now you can adjust it wherever you want. For example, I want to adjust this here, so as you can see, now it's adjust this, and now you can play it. So as you can see, now both videos are in working. Now if you want to change this, you can delete this and edit this. You have to click on this. As you can see, colors and each and every option is provided here. So in this way you can add the second screen, second video, or you can use the pip option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the double video or the multiple videos in Inshot app. So see you guys in the next video.